This video is showing you how to embed a video from your Google Drive into Schoology. You're going to click on your video from your Google Drive. And then here's the trick. You need to come up to these three little dots and click Open in a new window. Once you open in the new window, you'll see these three dots again. And then you're going to click Embed Item. You're going to want to make sure that you grab that embed code, copy it, head into Schoology. And then if you want to put it on a page or in your discussion or assignment, you'll click into it. Google Embed. And you can click your arrow, Image Media, from the web, Media, paste in your embed code, hit Insert, and then once you create, you scroll all the way down, you should have your video embedded right into a page, and it should play right from there.
Here's a quick tutorial.